Hi everyone, welcome to another video on Shiba Inu from my side. And this video will be short and quick. I would like to just give an update on the Shiba Inu price and recent two major events that might have triggered a positive catalyst in terms of Shiba Inu price increase in the coming days. So before I start, just a word, the same old disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor or neither is this financial advice. Please do go ahead and do your own research before you buy any token in the crypto space. Having said that, let's look at the price of Shiba Inu. I'm happy to see a rise after a lot of days of consolidation in place. But when I look at the 7 days chart, it is somewhat come out of that bearish signature. We can see that the volume also has increased, and we are now, come back to the green zone, which somewhat is a good sign. And to a certain extent, yes, this actually help if I look at for the entire month to get back to that 87 mark. Yes, I believe so to a certain extent. But why I'm not so very bullish is majorly because, see, yes, I do understand Coinbase Pro listing has happened. Coinbase listing is in the horizon. We will definitely have the Coinbase listing done probably by this weekend or the next weekend, next week. So that might happen very sooner than we think. But also one more big update that we got is regarding the Ethereum Pro, listing. And I'm not so sure about what Ethereum Pro app is, guys. So if anyone of you who is watching this video is aware about it, please do let me know. As far as I read from it and I could find information about it, it's just kind of a mechanism where you just use it as a tracker kind of a stuff, like where you have I believe you have one more tracker like ape tracker or something, I guess so, wherein you just connect your wallet and probably your portfolio and other details, or which will give you an expanded view of your actual portfolio with some token use or something like that. That is how it's built in. But I know that Ethereum Pro is actually a hard fork of the Ethereum network to enhance the scalability. But I'm not so sure what this Ethereum Pro app actually does. I believe it's just a visible medium on your portfolio portion, as and when you want to just go through. I mean, just about the price action and the supply and other details, you'd be having it in one place. And I believe you also would be able to get the number of buys and sells across all platforms over here. So that's just a visibility tool, is what I personally feel. So this is just for having better analysis being done on Shiba Inu. So nothing to do with the price point or the rise, is what I personally feel. But please do let me know if I'm wrong over here. Happy to learn new things from guys who know it well. And the second catalyst that we were speaking of, or the second news that triggered that positive momentum back, is with Shiba Inu getting listed in Binance US. Now, yes, a lot of people who are in the USA will not be able to use the Binance actual app, which is there worldwide. Due to certain other restrictions, it was banned, and that's when Binance had to shift over to the Binance.us platform, abiding certain rules of the government. So now, yes, you will definitely have a lot of US buyers who will be able to go ahead and purchase this through the Binance.us platform. I have personally do not know how easy it is, but yeah, considering that number of users would be high with Binance.us, definitely it would trigger a more, trigger a momentum in terms of moving the price upwards. So, what would I ideally see in terms of volume increase? I would say another 50% increase because of this listing. I'm being very honest in my opinion here, guys. If it goes beyond 50%, yes, I'm very happy to know that I personally am an investor and would definitely like to see Shiba Inu succeed. But why I'm actually a little skeptical, or why I'm keeping this percentage as low as possible, is the only because of it's just a listing that has happened, and we do not have any much major news that has come out. If I get back to Shiba Swap, sorry guys, I had to have this open. I just forgot it was closed earlier. So, okay, I guess the TVL will only reflect once you connect the wallet. Oh yeah, no, it will. Yeah. So if you look at the total volume locked over here, that's what TVL stands for. It was somewhere around 600 odd million initial phases. That's not so far. It was just around a month and a half back, I believe. It was somewhere around that range, 600 to 500 ish range. And as and when the reward system did get a hit, recently around a month back, there was a delay in terms of reward distributions, and the reward that was distributed, probably most of the people did not like it. Just to quote on that portion, guys, the initial reward system was built in to give much more reward percentages for a duration of, I believe, 2 weeks. That was the only duration where people who provided liquidity pools, people who were burying the tokens, either bone, leash, or ship, whatever be the token that they buried, that time they got a boost in terms of, see, this is the normal percentage, you get some extra percentage additional. So that's when people actually started pouring in a lot of funds, and that's when they did get that extra benefit of having a certain other percentage added up for those weeks period itself. So that is when, long time back, when Shiba Swap was actually launched initially, right? So I believe in the month of June-ish, June mid-ish, right? So that after which, then we do have that bone generation and leash generation and bone generation graph, especially, wherein as and when the time passes, the amount of bones that are minted per block will be obviously reduced. So due to the reduce in minting, obviously your rewards would be reducing, guys. That's how the mathematics works. It's simple. The supply is limited, the reward will always be uh, you know lesser. But one thing which I would like to be still happy about is, since we have the TVL lock less, people who are still locked now will definitely be able to get a better reward. I wouldn't say a very high or huge jump. I would definitely be happy that there would be some percentage higher than what we could expect if the same total lock volume was somewhere around 600 or 500 million dollars. So taking that into consideration, I would strongly say that, if you have buried your tokens, keep them aside. Do not touch them until unless at least the gas price comes down. Or my personal opinion, wait for the Shiba blockchain. Once Shibarium kicks in, we will definitely see a drastic reduction in the gas prices. Like I've been always quoting in my earlier videos, also please do go ahead and watch them. I'm expecting a gas fees anywhere between $1 to $3. I might be wrong, but I would be happy if the gas fees falls under that particular aspect. So that's where I'm still expecting, and that's where I would actually suggest anyone who has already buried their tokens to wait for some time, either bone, leash, or ship. They're just generating passive income. You're also getting Ryoshi tokens. There is nothing to lose. Wait till the next January or so. Let's see how in the 3 months we would be having more products or more launches that might happen from the Shiba team. And let's wait and watch, guys. So that's what I would say. Regarding the price action, like I said, I'm expecting a 50% increase, though I would be very happy if the percentage moves ahead 50%, right? Unless and until we receive any other further catalyst, probably this weekend. If Shaitoshi comes out tomorrow with a big update, then you can definitely see a massive rally in terms of the price increase. But I'm just saying, because of these two listings, one that has happened with the Binance US yesterday, I'm only forecasting a increase of 50% until and unless we have any other positive news from the community side or the developer side. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel and watch other videos which I have shared my honest opinions on other tokens in the crypto space. All these tokens which I have actually shared my views on are tokens which I have personally invested in. So I would definitely be doing my own research in terms of understanding how the mechanism works and whether this investment of mine is profitable or not. So please do go back, watch all my videos, including the one that I have done with Shiba Inu as well. And let's see, let's hope for the best. I'm still bullish. I'm still happy that Shiba Inu is on a, at least has got into the green trend within the 1 day period. I mean, the 7 day period. I'm sorry. So we would definitely see a lot more bullish movement. Like I said, 50% uptrend is what I'm actually predicting for. The volume also is pretty good. It has increased by 50% already. And yeah, let's hope that good things or good announcements from the development team come out. But yeah, guys, I am patient. I'm as patient as possible, and it does take time to bring out a good sustainable project. I advise everyone who is still locked into Shiba Inu to just hold on and wait it out. Just wait it out, and you would definitely be happy with all the profits that you can reap. So that's it for this video again, guys. Thank you so much. Have fun.